Alright guys, so today we are going to be reacting to the Jake Paul music video, Distrack against himself. I believe he made this because of all the hate that he was getting in the past few days, and I really respect him. So let's get it.
Go, get it, fuck Jake Paul. Let me tell y'all about this fuck Jake Paul. Fake wife, fake life, no talent.
Oh shoot. Those haters, bro.
Let me tell y'all about all of his flaws. Don't get me started by the shit he blogs. Run team down like a fake ass boss. It's every day, bro. Where's the Disney Channel flow? Lost your contract, no more Mickey Mouse, no. Put a shirt on, yeah, dude, you look fat. Act like you buff, but it only a 2-pack. Big on my butt, you should've died with that. It's every day, bro. Stop fucking saying that. Cause it's every night sis up in this shit. Cause
it's every night sis. That is Royce Gun Distrack. He tried to make it. He tried to like mimic Jake Paul, like show how pathetic he is, but that didn't succeed too well. Let's get it. Let's continue.
every night sis, yeah, you a bitch. How did God make you? There was probably a glitch. You a fucking liar, you a fucking snitch. All your songs are shit, yo, you need a new niche. Why you trying to rap? You sound like a bitch. Like a kid from the where your parents are rich. Speaking of your parents, did they drop you on your head? Half the world would be happy if they found out you were dead.
Oh, that's kind of
with your baby pup. Yeah, Apollo's cute, but you still a fuck up. Couldn't sign the doors, now you need to re-up. 1 year later, Martina show up. Hold up, yo, let me stop you real quick. It's Jake Paul, why you saying all this shit? Oh, hey, Jake, you're a fucking bitch. Okay, yo, yeah, I understand that shit. And I know everything you can say about my clique. And I'm not saying I don't disagree with it. But let me tell you my point of view of it. Man, I know all of my flaws, man, here it is. I am thirsty for the attention and views. I am a 2-pack looking tubby.
Everyone should be thirsty for views.
Yes, dude. And yeah, that's right. I split from Disney. I'm Jake Paul, and you ain't watching shit, B. Yes, I was a dumb 5th grade stupid bully.
You
Still
were?
regret that shit, man. It ain't coolie.
Yeah.
And yes, I got betrayed. Yeah, Maxie screwed me. I cried like
Yeah, Max screwed him up real bad.
a bitch, cause I call him family. His name was under pressure, so he did me dirty. But it's all hearsay, that shit ain't worthy. Don't believe Jake, he's not trustworthy. So fuck Jake Paul and what he says. If it weren't for Team 10, then he'd have no friends. But that's not all. Let me tell you more about Snake fucking Paul. 200,000 people unsubscribe. What happened to Mr. Fast Beauty Paul? And yes, my brother did kiss my girl. I'm still standing here screaming fuck the free world. And yes, he passed me in subscribers with the low gang callers, all the riders. Jake Paulers, you can't divide us. Paul family are multipliers. If we're doing math, he's older by 2. He's got more subs, I'd hope so, dude. And my neighbors wanna move, shit, I would too. OJ out of jail, put him next to me. That's a punishment worse than the penalty, but I do fuck up. And sometimes I wanna quit it all. Sometimes I wish I wasn't involved. Sometimes I wish I could hate Jake Paul. I really wanna see that motherfucker fall. From the bottom of my heart, man, fuck Jake Paul.
Alright, that was some serious heat. I get what he's saying though. Everybody's hating on him. He's just a normal dude. Come on. This is a cool distrack. It has 451,000 views already. You're doing good, bro.